How to start dropshipping on eBay. Quick and easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with dropshipping on eBay. So let's get into it. Now, eBay is not a platform that people often focus on for the purpose of dropshipping. It is something that is often overlooked by a lot of people because people just don't think about eBay as a place where they can dropship. And a lot of the times on eBay, everything is just, as it usually is on eBay, used items or, some new items and random sellers trying to sell random products. However, eBay is an amazing opportunity for you to get started with dropshipping, and I will show you guys exactly how you can do it. So to get started, you just need to create an account on eBay. eBay is a simple platform that allows anyone to sell whatever kind of product that they want. So if you probably already have an eBay account, you don't even need to create a new one. However, if you previously have never created an account, then you can click on sell over here. You can click on list an item. And once you do that, you can enter what you're listing, and you're just going to enter that item, whatever you are listing, and we will go into what we're going to be listing as a dropshipper and how to get started with dropshipper. And I will click on continue without match. You're going to add what kind of item you're going to be selling, and I'm going to be selling new items. And now I can simply create my account using my Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, or I can simply use my email address to sign up. And that is it. That is all you need to do to become a seller on eBay. Anyone can sell, anyone can buy on eBay. That is the best part about using eBay as your primary platform for dropshipping. Now we will just complete this verification over here. And once you have entered all of the verification, you can just sign up or register. And it just takes a couple of steps for you to get started with your sign up process. So if you don't have an account, click on create an account over here and just create your account as you simply would. And you can continue with a personal account. You really don't actually need a business account. It's absolutely fine to use a personal account for you to start dropshipping using eBay. So once you have created your account, it's actually time to, start listing and start finding products to sell. And how do you actually do that? That is like the difficult part of setting up dropshipping. You're thinking, okay, I have an eBay store now. You already have an eBay account. How do you actually find profitable products that you could list on eBay? Well, there are two things that you can do. Either you can go to a low-cost retailer like Walmart and you can find items from there. Now you might be wondering, okay, but what's really the point, because Walmart and eBay is kind of similar? Well, often people don't like to shop around. There are many people in this world that do not like to shop at multiple different outlets for different things. They just go onto their one platform and buy stuff off of there. They don't do price comparisons, and that is why not all people do this, but enough people do this to make dropshipping so profitable. Now, this is one way that you can make money. However, if you want to make even more money, then sourcing your products from a website like AliExpress, or even better, Alibaba, could yield you more profit. Now, this will be a bit difficult because the shipping times are going to be a little longer. However, if you want maximum profits, these are the platforms to go to. However, for just beginners, let's say that as a beginner you want to get started, then for you, I would recommend just go to Walmart or Home Depot. Home Depot is also another great option to sell home goods, simply because people don't go into those specific niche stores. They don't look around in those niche stores. They just take a look at the top search results for for whatever kind of product that they want to buy on the platform that they use most often, and then they just go along with it. So I have this girdle with stand and adapter hose, and what I would actually recommend is you copy the title of the item that you want to start dropshipping on eBay, and you actually search for that item. So I'm just going to search for this item over here. Now you can see over here that on this specific item, you can enter whatever country you want to ship to. So let's say you want to ship to the United States. So that you're going to enter whatever specific country that you want to focus your business on. And you can see over here, I have a $188 price over here. And on Walmart, it's actually more expensive. So this item is already being used by a lot of people. Now, what I would do is I would actually go on AliExpress or Alibaba and search for the same item. So I can actually go on ahead and search for that specific item. Now, on AliExpress, I would recommend that you find a simpler search term. You're not going to find the exact same branding, but you can do a cross research and find a similar product. Not this exact same product, but you can find a similar product and sell it on eBay. Now, there are a couple of things that I would recommend that you do. First off is that when you go into your listing, so let's say I find a product. So for example, I go into the departments and let's say I go into electronics over here on Walmart and I want to go on shop all. And I'm just going to scroll down and I will take a look at the different options available. So let's say I want to find a specific TV and video, all TV and videos. And if I scroll down over here, there are multiple different options available. And let's say I want to buy a simple TV like this one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the title of this, and then I'm going to search this on eBay once more. Now, the price on Walmart is $98, and on eBay it's available for over $120, $150, so I can easily make a profit out of this. I can sell this for like around $110 easily, and all I have to do is I will take the item from Walmart, I will order it from Walmart, and I will actually do and the address that I'm going to input would be the address that I get from my customer. Now, for listing the item, what I would like to do, you can choose to actually purchase the item beforehand and then keep it at your place or any kind of storage space that you might have, and then later on sell. Whenever you sell the item, you can ship it to the customer address. But you're going to first off enter the item as a listing, and I will tell you guys how to list the item properly. So I will go into consumer electronics and I will click on get started and I will click on see more. And I will enter the brand that I am looking to sell. So whatever brand it is, this is on brand, and I will click on done. And once I do that, you can choose whatever specific, if the specific similar product is in the catalog, you can choose from there. So let's say it is this product and I will use this product. If it is the same product. Now make sure to keep that in mind whenever you are listing a product, but the first thing I recommend is make sure to change the title. So the title always needs to be changed simply because it's not optimized for keywords, but other than that you don't need to change anything, and then you will just simply add the item and that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started. Now for the title, I would recommend something like smart TV. So a title like on 24-inch smart LED TV would be a simple and easy to read title. You want to make sure your title is not excessively complicated. So that is it. And after that, you can add multiple different photos if you want to add more, and that is around it. So in this way, you can make profit without actually having, invent your own items or without having to even spend too much time. You guys saw in under a couple of minutes, I was able to find a product that I could make profitable simply by buying from Walmart and then selling it on eBay, and so on and so forth. Now, if you go on Alibaba or AliExpress, you will find more profitable products, but those are slightly more risky because of the shipping times. So make sure you have experimented with Walmart and local sellers, local low-cost retailers first, and then move on to Chinese retailers. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.